now ready to race, penultimate race. And the race is on. Wondrous Win, Royal G Danori inside, Bo Erin. She's gorgeous, rushing up. Is Ikaw Ha? Ikaw Ha. Mikey's on the outside, Ula Juwon. Entry number 3, Mr. Universe Townsend is running at the tail of the field. Royal G by about 2 lengths. Wondrous Win, Bo Erin. Ikaw Ha? Ikaw Ha is racing in forward by about 2 lengths by the Mikey's. As they race the last 550. Royal G, Bo Erin, Ikaw Ha? Ikaw Ha is racing on the outside as they race the final corner. Royal G, Ikaw Ha? Ikaw Ha is racing on the outside. And Mike is down on the inside, Bo Erin. And nearing the finish line, Royal G by about 2 lengths, followed by Ikaw Ha? Ikaw Ha and Mike is. And finally, entry number 1, Royal G. Second, Ikaw Ha? Is took third, Bo Erin. And entry number 3, Mr. Universe.